What nationality?
I'm Espanyol. I'm from Spain.
Espanyol?
Yeah, yeah.
You look Filipino?
Excuse me. Ma'am, may I ask a question, ma'am? May I ask a question? 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 Where is Taboylan?
Taboylan? Layo pa doon. Taboylan?
By the way, señorita, I'm con favor Espanyol. This is my first time here. This is my first time here. I want to go to Taboylan.
Taboylan?
Yeah, yeah.
Layo.
Can you speak English? I'm not in.
Malayo pa sa.
Maybe how many minutes?
Ay, no minutes. Mga 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. Can I ask one more question? Can I ask one more question? One question.
Ano? What? What's your question?
Si mi primera uno servisa con por favor kundi está el baño.
I don't understand, sir.
I want you to restaurant.
Restaurant?
Yeah, yeah.
Restaurant?
Where? I want.
May truck, diba? May truck, may restaurant.
I want Timos. I want Timos restaurante.
Ay, ikaw ko na niya pa.
I want Timos restaurante.
Ano?
I want Timos restaurante.
Negros?
Restaurant.
Restaurant?
By the way, señorito, I'm con favor Espanyol. It's my first time here. I'm only vacation. And I want to go to restaurant.
You are what nationality?
I'm Espanyol. I'm from Spain.
Espanyol?
Yeah, yeah.
You look Filipino?
I'm going to restaurant. Where?
Restaurant there.
I want Timos.
No, famous Danau City. Burger.
You have a recommendation is food?
Ha?
You have recommendation is food? Really, I want
Japanese?
Pinoy. I want Pinoy food.
What?
I want Pinoy food.
What? Pinoy food?
Yeah.
Ito Pinoy restaurant. You ask somebody there. Danau City.
You have a recommendationist?
Ha?
You have a recommendationist Pinoy food?
Recommendation is?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
No? What is your selling here?
Ha?
What is your selling here? Do you have a botella de agua?
Botella de agua?
Yeah. So what is that? What is that?
Buko juice.
Buko, what is buko? What is buko?
Ha?
What is buko juice? What is buko juice?
Coconut juice.
Give me one. Cuenta Cristo? Cuenta Cristo.
25 pesos, 25.
Okay, give me one. No plastic.
Plastic. Famous restaurant over there.
You have a recommendation is what food?
What recommendation?
I like Pinoy food.
Yeah, Pinoy food over there.
What
one?
What do you have a recommendation is?
What recommendation? I don't know.
No, recommendation is food. I want
I don't
delicioso.
know. Ha?
I want delicioso. You have a change?
Just try to ask over there.
Okay, thank you, señorito. Matias, gracias, señorito. You're so kind. What is your name?
Lito.
Okay, Lito.
Your name?
By the way, I'm Pablo. Yeah.
Just turn around and just somebody there, you ask.
Okay.
Some people ba around.
After this, I want to go to Taboylan. Where? Taboylan Island.
Taboylan, over there.
Maybe how many
175.
minutes? Maybe how many minutes?
Kilometers?
Yeah.
Around 30 or 40, something like that. 30 or 40 kilometers.
Gracias, señorito.
Oh,
Layo pa to, boss?
Ha?
Layo pa to?
Layo.
Bro, nag-vlog na bitaw ko, boss.
Ha?
Nag-vlog na ko.
Pinoy.
Boss, okay raw. Ako yung boss, boss. Wednesday. Ma'am.
Di mo totoo nga. Basta yung Pinoy.
So yun na nako ba, na may mailag. Ato na ko, salamat.